Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well, safe and sound during these pandemic times. Welcome to another vlog on my channel. Today it's been heavily raining in Chennai and I'm super excited to be sharing a snippet of it with you all. Today I'm going to be unboxing my DT kit from Harshini for the month of October and November. I'm sure many of you would be knowing that I've already worked as a DT member with Harshini for 3 months period. Now I'm extending it for another 2 months and the new DT kit has just arrived. So let's unbox it. There are some handmade bows. The bows are made with the mirror glaze cardstock, a thank you note, some die cuts, a tag sheet. The tag sheet has a lot of sentiments which you can use for your scrapbooks and cards. Some floral tag sheets. If you have checked my recent DT project, I have used the flowers from these tag sheets in the project that I've made. This is a thank you sticker. It says thank you for supporting small business. It is a gift from Harshini and I think it's a very thoughtful gift for any small business owner. You can add them to your projects, include them in your orders. This is a super tag sheet which I love, which is a monochrome floral alphabet. The gold mirror cardstock, silver mirror cardstock, and tag sheets which have a lot of leaves, florals. These are leaf patterns and ferns and some flowers. The next we have the 6x6 paper packs. The first paper pack is of theme rainbow. There are 12 designs, 2 sheets of each, and the paper pack has 24 sheets. This is a rainbow color pattern and various shapes. They can be used mixed and matched with any scrapbook layout or any other paper. They are of 300 GSM and extremely thick, so you can independently use them without the cardstock. The next paper pack is garden. It has again 12 designs, 2 sheets of each design, 24 sheets and 300 GSM. The color scheme of the paper bag is more on pastel colors, white, green and peach. The black cardstock with mini tulip florals is my personal favorite. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the products. If you wish to order, please reach out to Impressions by Harshini. Do like, share and comment on this video. I will soon be creating a lot of projects with the products I've received and I'll share it with all of you. Thank you.